I replay the words in my head, but they sound so different now you've left. I keep chasing echoes down these halls. Every answer I find just hits the walls. You said it's black, I swore it's white. Now I'm second guessing what feels right. The mirror's cracked, but I still stare, trying to find myself in there. Did I stand too tall? Did I bend too far? Every truth's a ghost with another scar. I wanted peace, but I built a fight. Now I'm lying awake in the dead of night. I'm not wrong, am I? Tell me it's not all in my mind. I stood my ground, I tried to try, but doubt's a weight I can't deny. Every word's a wound I hide, but I still scream to the sky. I'm not wrong, am I? You said love's a war with no reward. Guess I was the one who kept score. You turned away, said we're done, but the silence feels like a loaded gun. I'm tired of the blame, tired of the spin. Every truth feels paper thin. If I break, at least I'll know I went down fighting for my soul. You took your aim, I took the fall, but I'm still standing after all. I'm not wrong, am I? Tell me it's not all in my mind. I stood my ground, I tried to try, but doubt's a weight I can't deny. Every word's a wound I hide, but I still scream to the sky. I'm not wrong, am I? I just wanna feel alive. I'm done begging for salvation. I'll make peace with my own side. I'm not wrong, am I? Even when I fall, I rise. I lost my voice but found my why. Through all the pain I still survive. Every scar's a proof, a sign that I still fight for what's mine. I'm not wrong, no, I'm not wrong this time. Guess I just need